understand that you as a merchant value personalisation, which is why we're here to give you some tips and tricks on how to leverage our personalisation tools to help support your growth. If shoppers don't know what they're searching for or are struggling to find an item, product recommendations are there to help convert browsers into buyers. Let's take a look at how you can customize our personalized recommendations tool today. In the Boost AI Search and Discovery dashboard, to navigate to personalized recommendations, use the navigation bar on the top, head to recommendation widgets, and here is where you can create all of the different recommendation widgets, including the personalized recommendations. So if we head to the first step of doing this, this is to select a page type that you want to set up the widget on. So you can choose from a number of different pages, whether that's home page, product page, collection page, or cart page. We'll look at setting this up on a product page today, and we've got the personalized recommendation here. So from this step, we're going to want to head to the next step, which is where you can define the recommendation algorithms for the widget. We do have a primary algorithm, which will be default used to generate recommendations, as this is an AI powered tool. So it will simply use AI to base recommendations on that person, whether that is their interest or purchase history, etc. It will use that data to recommend products. And then we've got a secondary algorithm here, just in the case that the person has insufficient data, to use the primary algorithm recommendations. So we've got a number of options here, like bestsellers, frequently bought together. You can choose this as this is up to you and your brand preference. And then moving on to step 3, this is where you can customize your widget design for your product recommendation tool. Here is where you can see this is the personalized section, and you can amend the widget layout to choose the maximum recommendation of products that you'll get, whether that be 10, and the number of products per row. You might want to decrease this. And then once you've done that, you can also change the widget title. So currently it is personalized for you. We might want to change this to hand-picked products. And then you can change the style, the alignment, whether you want it center or left aligned, change the text color just to make this completely on brand. And then you can also change the font as well, all of that jazz. And then if you feel like this is a default title setting, you can simply save it as above for default so that you don't have to keep doing this frequently. And then once you're happy with how you have amended this, click save. And then finally, the next step is to add the widget to your live theme. So first of all, it will tell you to enable the app embed Boost Core onto your Shopify theme. We do have a video on how to do this, but it should tell you if your core is enabled or not. If not, it will simply have a button for you to enable it. And then you can also watch this video on how to do that. And the second step is to add the app block to Boost recommendation. So you have to make sure to copy this widget ID and paste it into the blog to display the recommendation widget. So we'll take you across to our Shopify store. So this is where you can preview your store, and the Boost recommendation widget here is added. So as you can see, we've got the Boost recommendation widget here, and all you have to do is simply paste the widget ID here and hit save. And this will now populate the customized widget onto your store. As you can see, we've got the handpicked product section centralized, and it is now here available, customized to your liking, with the recommended number of products. And this is completely personalized to your customers through our AI algorithm. And this is now saved onto your store. You can also preview this in different modes, whether you want to preview it on mobile, full screen as well. So yeah, there's lots of different options to view this. Just make sure that from the Boost recommendation app, you've got your widget ID and you have added it, and then it will add here, and make sure to hit save. So once you've done those 2 steps and hit I'm all done, and that is where you can add your recommendation widgets. So that in a quick overview is our product personalized recommendation widgets, how you set them up and add them live to your theme. If you need any additional support, we do have user guides and additional video tutorials for you to look at. Alternatively, you can contact our customer support team, as they'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.